Toronto-based startup leveraging additive manufacturing to personalize care for women suffering from pelvic floor disorders.
We believe in being able to offer customers exactly what they want when they need it, while drastically reducing the footprint of this industry on the environment.
We understand the needs of the musician and we directly translate the needs into the geometry of a mouthpiece.
At Wive, we integrate the whole value chain from the raw materials to the final product, which is our surfboard. We control every step.
BASF. We create chemistry.